I just discovered a hack that can boost your conversion rate and revenue. This Chrome extension tells you exactly what you need to do in order to make your website more appealing to your site visitors and to improve the user experience so it would get more conversions, which means sales or calls. And it literally has only 100 users. Once you have the extension installed, go to your store and open up a page you want to review. My tip is to start with the most important pages, the ones that will show you the most revenue increase, like your home page, product pages, and the cart page. Now go through this checklist one by one and check if your store meets a rule. If it don't meet a rule, keep it, just don't click it. If it's relevant, click the X button to remove it. If your store meets a rule, just click on it and it'll be crossed out. Click on Export Audit to download a list of what can be improved on your store. When you have this report, all you have to do is open up the tutorials to read the detailed rule explanations. Now these comparisons will help you fix your conversion mistakes. Don't tell anyone about this yet,